Good morning, everyone. This is Orobo Bible Reading Platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 2, verse 4 to 6 in Orobo language. Obe ri Matthew uyobe ronye ive awo ronye eni rite esan. Verse 4. Ode se elori re ire re kugbe isiebe na ejobi koko oda no anyị asa redevie Christina. Verse 5. Anyị data kene Bethlehem ri Judea kidie otioyin otu re emrao rona siro ne. Verse 6. Ve Bethlehem ve oto ri Juda odia obe rema hami ve isu ri Juda ejobi kidie okri nwe osu kenu re roke su ikwome Israel. Thank you from Simeon.